Ingredients: 1. 1.5 pounds cucumbers, about 5 cups sliced. 2. 1/2 teaspoon salt. 3. 4 to 5 scallions, finely sliced. 4. 1 teaspoon ginger, grated. 5. 1 clove garlic, finely minced. 6. A quarter cup rice vinegar. 7. 1 tablespoon soy sauce, Bragg's liquid amino acid or coconut amino acid. 8. 1 tablespoon toasted sesame oil. 9. 1 tablespoon maple syrup or honey or sugar. 10. 1 teaspoon red chili paste or sriracha, both optional, more to taste. 11. 1 to 2 tablespoons toasted sesame seeds. What kind of cucumbers to use? Use thin-skinned burpless cucumbers like Persian, Turkish, or English cucumbers for the least bitterness and best flavor. Waxy cucumbers will work in a pinch, but you will need to peel them first. Expert tips. 1. Scoring the cucumber with the tines of a fork before slicing allows the dressing to cling to the cucumbers, making each and every bite more flavorful. A reader recently reminded me of this, and it is so true. 2. Salting the cucumber beforehand helps release liquid, also creating a more flavorful salad as the dressing doesn't get as watered down. Of course, you can skip this if in a hurry. So if you have time, salt the cucumbers and place in a strainer for 20 minutes or up to a few hours. Chop up your herbs. Here I'm simply using scallions, but feel free to play with chives, cilantro, or even Thai basil. Gather your Asian dressing ingredients. You can directly add these to the salad bowl with the strained cucumbers and toss. Grate a little ginger into the salad. Grate a little garlic into the bowl. For a little heat, add red chili paste or sriracha. Mix it all up and adjust salt and spice level to your liking. The Asian cucumber salad will last 3 days in the fridge, if it makes it that long.